We are now in Little Toronto. This is the CN Tower and the Rogers Stadium. And this is the huge building. That sexy one is, I think, in Mississauga. This is so cool. Look, they're even showing live football. And this is the baseball. The CN Tower. Kuha ka na naman dyan, Odin. The CN Tower. So we are in our town, Toronto. This is the Royal York, the Hospital of Sick Kids, yeah. And this is all the high-rise building in Toronto with our landmark CN Tower. This is during nighttime, guys. The Rogers Center is so huge. Sky High Heroes CN Tower. The Hospital for Sick Kids, Royal York Hotel. This is the Royal York Hotel, guys. And this is the biggest station in Toronto, the Union Station. As you can see, guys, where everything, all the kinds of rides is here. It's beautiful night. Beautiful Toronto. The Medicine West Scotiabank Arena, where all the concert and everything is there. Scotiabank Arena, where all the concerts is holding. Buses, school buses, the Canadian Forces Snowbird Bridges. This is the St. Lawrence Market, Canadian Tire Corporation. And the GO train is coming. Going to Union Station. Guys, that is so cool. This is a GO train from all provinces going to Union Station. And it's a Starbucks coffee. This is the old City Hall. The 5 Indigenous flag. And Toronto. This is the City Hall, guys. City Hall of Toronto. You can see the Toronto landmark. Happy 50th Canada Sick Kids. So that is the City Hall of Toronto, guys. And this is the old City Hall.
That's Chelsea Hotel that you're staying at.
And this is the Art Gallery of Toronto, guys. It's the Huron Square.
Chinatown's a little further out.
Oh, I think it's this parade thing is here. Oh, oh, that's the parade.
Okay, now I have to take pictures.
No,